Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video session we will learn about the MAC address. So let's begin the session. A MAC address is a means of identifying a device on the local network. It is an address that has many names. So we call it basically MAC address. It is also referred as physical address or the hardware address or the burnt in address. So in this picture we can see, if we do ipconfig all, then the red marked is the physical address that is showing the MAC address. Also, when we go to the next picture, it is showing a physically attached hardware device which is representing the MAC address by the arrow. A MAC address is represented as a 48-bit hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal is referred to as a base 16 numbering system. Here we can see the MAC address is comprised of 12 characters broken into 6 pairs. Each of these characters uses 4 bits, that is 12 into 4 equal to 48 bits. The MAC address can be generated by using the getMAC command. MAC addresses are not randomly generated. They should be globally unique, and no two network cards should have the same MAC addresses. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned about the MAC address. Please do comment your queries in the comment box and I will respond to it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.